Alright guys, so welcome to the series of market opportunities and अगला जो coin है that is Obsidian and इसका जो ticker है that is OBN. Now let us look at how we can trade the currency and you can see the website section, explorer section and CoinGecko link available है यहाँ पे. So this is the main website that is obsidiancoin.org. This is the explorer section and this is the CoinGecko website. Now let us first look at how we can trade the currency. So this is available on ZEX and you can see right now the price of this currency that is $0.003. So this is the price and now let us look at the levels. So पहला जो level बन रहा है that is at about the market price. You can enter over here at the market price. So this is the first level. Second जो level है that is at about $0.0029. Third जो level है that is at about $0.002. That is the good buying zones for this currency. आपका जो selling zone रहेगा that is at about 47. Second जो sell zone है that is at about 60. And third जो sell zone है that is at about this zone that is at 81. And fourth is at about 96. So पहला जो buy price है that is at the market price which is 37, second is at 29, third is at 20. You can allocate equal amounts at each of the level. So आपको जो average buying price रहेगा in that case that is 28.66 satoshis and आपको जो selling price है that is first at 47, second at 60, third at 80 and fourth at 96. So you can allocate in the descending order 40%, 30%, 20% and 10% and आपको जो average selling price बनेगा in that case that is 62. So average buying price is 28 and average selling price is 62 and still your profit percentage is 117%. Now let us say if you're allocating 100% at the first sell order then in that case also your profit percentage will become 63% and आपका average buying price बनेगा that is 28. Sell price is 47 and total percentage will be 63% if all the levels are getting filled. आप एक और स्ट्रेटेजी लगा सकते हो. लेट अस से अगर आपका लास्ट बाय ऑर्डर फिल होता है देन दिस लेवल विल बी द सेलिंग लेवल एंड स्टिल इन दैट केस जो आप यहाँ पे माल परचेस करते हो आप यहाँ पे बेचोगे तो आपको 83% का प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. सो दिस कैन बी द सेलिंग लेवल इफ दिस ऑर्डर गेट्स फिल्ड. So this can be the selling level and still you will make a profit of 83% in this particular case. So that's how you can trade the currency that is OBN that is available on ZEX.